Hello everyone, John Clark from Woodford speaking. Welcome to Plumbing Tips. Today I'm going to review Woodford's commercial roof hydrants. Freezeless roof hydrants provide a secure exterior water source for commercial flat roof surfaces. They're used to wash down cooling towers, clean condensing coils, provide water for window washers, or even irrigate rooftop gardens. Woodford has two types of freezeless roof hydrants: the RHY2 that automatically drains and requires a drain line, and the SRH Sanitary hydrant that does not require a drain line but needs to be evacuated so it does not freeze. The RHY2 hydrant is installed through the roof and plumbed to a non-freezing interior water source. It drains automatically and won't freeze because water drains through the drain hole in the valve body into a piped interior location like a utility sink. The SRH Sanitary roof hydrant doesn't require a drain line. To evacuate the hydrant, remove the hose, and a venturi action draws water out through the internal reservoir is in the outer pipe, and discharges it through the backflow preventer. You discharge it for 5 seconds to completely purge the reservoir. Both types of roof hydrants include a heavy-duty cast iron mounting system and all mounting hardware. The mounting system protects the hydrant from hose torque and harsh weather and includes a 2-degree shim for pitch adjustment for a sloped roof. Hydrants are backflow protected with an ASC 1052 listed device. All repairs can be made from the top of the units without removing the hydrant. And Woodford roof hydrants are backed by a limited 5-year warranty. Woodford roof hydrants were designed with plumbers in mind. They're reliable, easy to install, and include a cast iron mounting system and are backed by a 5-year warranty. And they're available at plumbing wholesalers everywhere. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful. I'm John Clark with Plumbing Tips.